The Abonow 3-in-1 Foldable T treadmill combines the benefits of a walking pad, a folding treadmill, and a desk treadmill, making it perfect for those who want to work and exercise simultaneously. Equipped with a powerful 3.5 horsepower motor, this treadmill operates quietly and can reach speeds of up to 8 miles per hour, providing a challenging workout experience. The treadmill includes a 6% incline feature, which is designed to enhance fitness and fat-burning effectiveness by up to 60%, while 6 shock absorbers ensure a comfortable running experience. Its compact and lightweight design, weighing only 37 kilograms, makes it easy to store in small spaces such as apartments and dorm rooms. The foldable design and built-in transportation wheels allow for easy movement and storage, ensuring that it does not take up too much space in your home. With a wider running surface of 41.3 inches by 17.3 inches, the Abonow treadmill provides ample space for walking or running.